dear students, we have been discussing about how to add 4-digit numbers by carrying. Right. So, in this class, let us learn how to add 4-digit numbers which are arranged in 3 rows. Okay. And here we have to add 1421 and 1334 and 2456. First, we have to arrange these numbers one below the other according to their place values. 1421, 1334, 2456. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, then this is thousands place. In the addition, first we have to add the digits which are in ones place. Right. So, let us add ones place digits. In the ones place, we have 1, 4 and 6. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 6. How much? That is 11. We get 11 ones. And in this 11 ones, there are 1, 10 and 1, 1. So, this 1 should be written below this ones place. Then this 1 carried to tens place. Now we have to add the tens place digits. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. For the 10, again we have to add this 1. So, 10 plus 1, that is 11. We get 11 tens. In this 11 tens, there are 100 and 110. Right. So, this 1 should be written below this tens place and this 1 carried to hundreds place. Now we have to add the hundreds place digits. 4 plus 3, that is 7. 7 plus 4, how much students? 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. We get 12 hundreds. And in this 12 hundreds, there are 1000 and 200s. So, this 2 should be written below this hundreds place. Then this 1 carried to thousands place. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, that is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. We get 5 thousands. So, 5 should be written below this thousands place. Finally, we get 5211 as sum of these numbers. Like this, we can add the numbers which are arranged in 3 rows. Okay, have you understood, students? In this problem, we have to find out the sum of 1823, 2348 and 580. Let us add these numbers. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, then this is thousands place. First we have to add the digits which are in ones place. 3 plus 8, that is 11. 11 plus 0. Any number added to 0 or 0 added to any number is number itself. Right. So, 11 plus 0, that is 11. We get 11 ones. And in this 11 ones, there are 110 and 1 1. So this 1 should be written below this 1's place. Then this 1 carried to 10's place. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 8, how much? 14. 14 plus 1, 15. We get 15 tens. And in this 15 tens, there are 105 tens. Right. So this 5 should be written below this tens place. This 1 carried to hundreds place. Now we have to add the hundreds place digits. 8 plus 3, that is 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. We get 17 hundreds. And in this 17 hundreds, there are 1000 and 7 hundreds. So this 7 should be written below this hundreds place. This 1 should be carried to thousands place. 1 plus 2, 3. For that 3, again we have to add this 1. So 3 plus 1, we get 4. We get 4 thousands. 4 should be written below this thousands place. We get 4751 as sum of these numbers. Find the sum by placing the digits in their proper places. First we have to arrange these numbers one below the other according to their places. Okay. 4000, 37, 3903, then 1760. This is 1's place, 10's place, 100's place, then this is 1000's place. In the addition, first we have to add the 1's place digits. 7 plus 3, 10. We get 10 ones. Right. So in this 10 ones, there are 1 10 and 0 ones. So 0 should be written below this 1's place, then 1 carried to 10's place. 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. We get 10 tens. In this 10 tens, there are 100. Right. So in this 10 tens, there are 100 and 0 tens. So 0 should be written below this tens place, then this 1 carried to hundreds place. Now we have to add the hundreds place digits. 0 plus 9, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. We get 17 hundreds. In this 17 hundreds, there are 1000 and 7 hundreds. So 7 should be written below this hundreds place, then this 1 carried to thousands place. After completing the hundreds place addition, now we have to add the thousands place digits. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. We get 9000. So 9 should be written below this thousands place. We get 9700 after adding 4037, 3903, then 1760. In an election, candidate A got 3875 votes, candidate B got 2706 votes and candidate C got 3190 votes. How many votes did they get? ಒಂದು ಚುನಾವಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ 3875 ವೋಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಬಿ 2706 ವೋಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು, ಹಾಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಸಿ 3190 ವೋಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈ ಮೂವರು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಟ್ಟು ವೋಟ್ಸ್ಗಳೆಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. For that we have to add number of votes candidate A got and candidate B got and candidate C got. Then we get the total number of votes they got. Okay, let us add number of votes candidate A got, that is 3875. Then number of votes candidate B got, that is 2706. Then number of votes candidate C got 3190. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, then this is thousands place. 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 0, that is 11. 1 should be written below this ones place, then 1 carried to tens place. 7 plus 0, 7, 7 plus 9, 16, 16 plus 1, 17. 7 should be written below this tens place, then 1 carried to hundreds place. 8 plus 7, that is 15, 15 plus 1, 16, 16 plus 1, 17. 7 should be written below this hundreds place, then 1 carried to thousands place. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. We get 9000. 9 should be written below this thousands place. Totally there are 9771 votes obtained by candidate A, candidate B and candidate C. Students, we have to fill these blanks. 169 plus 0 is equal to how much, students? Any number added to 0 or 0 added to any number is number itself, right? So 169 plus 0, that is equal to 169, right? 989 plus 1 is equal to how much? We have to add 1 to this 989. 989 plus 1. 9 plus 1, 0. 1 carried to tens place. 1 plus 8, 9. Then 9 as it is. So we get 990 after adding 989 plus 1. Dash plus 1 is equal to 4623. Students, we have to find out which number should be added to 1 to get 4623. For that, we have to subtract this 1 from this 4623. Dash is equal to 4623 minus 1. So, after subtracting 1 from this 4623, we get 4622. So, 4622 should be added to this one to get 4623. Have you understand, students? I hope you all are clear about today's class. Thank you.